Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be working on my new Printy Cat logo, and I don't have the finished logo yet, but I'm kind of just going through the process of putting together some sketches and some ideas to narrow down what I want. I still want to incorporate a cat into the branding, but it probably won't be a tuxedo cat like before. Of course, Milo will still be present in the art that I make for the shop, but I'm trying to keep it simple and versatile with the logo and branding this time around, so we're going to stick to a simple cat doodle for the brand and not like a full-on tuxedo cat. Okay, so now we are in Illustrator vectorizing one of my sketches. I have two other ideas that I'll show you guys later that I haven't vectorized. And I really like the way this one looks. It's very simple and whimsical, and I like it a lot. I have other sketches that I did that it's more of like a monoline script font that I used instead of this like chunky printed lettering. So I'm kind of going back and forth between the two, trying to make a decision, and it's really hard. What I might end up doing is just running a poll on Instagram to see what you guys think when I vectorize all of them and finalize these logos, because regardless, I'll always be the one to make the final judgment, but it's always nice to like see what you guys are thinking. So yeah, I'll probably do that later. If you guys want to follow me, my Instagram is linked in the description. And these are the two other ones that I haven't vectorized yet. I like the contrast between the types of letterings that I'm using. The only problem I'm having with it right now, and I'll probably just work this out later, is like the circle shape of the P. That kind of, that shape just for me is like very disruptive, and especially with the cat there. Maybe if I just took the cat away, I don't know. We'll see. I'll work it out. But yeah, follow me on Instagram if you guys want to participate in that poll later on. Alrighty, I reopened my shop on January 10th, and I am so grateful for the consistent flow of orders since. I honestly expected to see a bit of a dry season for the first 2 months back, but I've received an order or two just about every week since opening it. I know now that I say it, I'm probably jinxing it, so knock on wood for me. We are coming up on my 1-year anniversary for Printy Cat, and I am almost at 100 total sales. Right now, I think it's like 91, which might not be a lot to some, might be a ton for others, but whatever it falls on your spectrum, I am personally thrilled with that number. February 21st is the anniversary. Maybe I'll be at 100 by then, maybe not. We'll see what happens. So if you guys want to buy any stickers or prints, please go check out my Etsy shop that is linked in the description. So another thing I want to recognize is the growth I've had here on YouTube since last year. I've had this channel since late 2021, and I didn't take it very seriously until last year. I had exactly 100 subscribers in May of 2023, and that is now over 2,000, which is crazy significant for me because I never thought I'd reach it in that span of time, especially because I've been on Instagram for years and still have not crossed the 1,000 mark on my Instagram channel, which there are a ton of other reasons for that. We won't get into that. But super significant for me, and I just want to celebrate that because that is some significant growth, and I'll actually probably be monetized sometime this year. That's what I'm projecting, and we're getting really close, and I'm really excited about that. So thank you all for being here and supporting my shop and or this channel. I really appreciate it, and I'm so grateful. So Winston has this new bandana that says Squirrel Patrol because he is obsessed with ridding the yard of squirrels. The enemies Winston has in life are squirrels, birds, and water. Unfortunately, there weren't any out there on this day, so he's a little disappointed, but he's ready for them when they do show up. I know I've been saying this for a while now, but I want to make another sketchbook. I am happy to say that I finally finished one entire sketchbook cover to cover that only took me like 4 years to do. So I've been itching to make another one to replace it. I just always end up with some excuse not to, one of which is I already have another one that I haven't finished, which is this red one that I'm sketching in now. And I also have this little black one that a friend gave to me as a gift a year ago, and I still haven't used it yet. And then there's this guy, if y'all remember my gouache sketchbook video, he's still empty. And I need to use him this spring, and I will. So I have sketchbooks, but most of them, as you can see, are quite small. So I guess my justification for making another one is it'll be larger, and I'll also get to like use up some more of my paper that's just lying around and kind of reduce some of my clutter, which would be good. So yeah, I have a justification for doing it. It's just I keep putting it off, and we'll see if I get around to doing it anytime soon. But yeah, that's something for the future. Sorry I keep mentioning it and then like not doing it. So many other things that like push it further and further on my to-do list. So we'll see what happens. Anyway guys, that is all I have for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my content. If you'd like to buy from my shop or follow me on Instagram, all my links are in the description. Alrighty guys, I will see you next time. Bye!